How's it going, everybody? Nick here with another reaction video. I want to say, though, my Honey Dijon video did get a copy strike, but that doesn't mean I'm in trouble. It just means that my video can't play in other countries, which isn't really a big deal to me, but I thought I made it clear in my video that I didn't own the rights or anything, but I guess that doesn't really matter anymore, so oh well, whatever. Anyway, so today we're gonna check out a tornado video that a friend of mine actually sent. The video is called More Oklahoma F-5 Tornado Videos May 20th, 2013. So, we'll see what this tornado is like. F-5s, I obviously know after seeing the movie Twister. They are the biggest tornadoes ever. We're gonna check this video out, so let's get started. Alright, so here's the video of the tornado. Let's get started.
Just west of Norman, Oklahoma, got a tornado on the ground. Violent tornado. We got a wedge tornado in Norman, Oklahoma. horrible. Horrible. Oh my god. This is probably worse than, not about the same. Just grab this. Stay where you're at. Go back to that road and go north.
Holy shit. Those tornadoes are fucking huge. And I know Oklahoma is one of the many states that is like tornado alley. I forget what that's at. Nebraska or something like that. I don't know. I don't know. I think tornadoes are fascinating. I think they're because, I mean, it's like Mother Nature gone rogue, and it's just, it's just crazy. That thing was huge. I mean, it almost was like the size of like almost an entire city or something like that. I don't even know how big it was, to compare it to. But that was, yeah, that was pretty terrifying. I've seen Twister, like I said in the beginning, and I've came across just thinking about it, like, that's just with Twister, it's like, it's a movie and stuff, and obviously they had to do the research and everything like that. But as far as like these tornado videos go, and then you actually see like an F-5, like it's very intimidating and very, yeah, I guess it'd be the same thing, terrifying as well. But I don't know, me being a wuss, you wouldn't catch me anywhere near tornadoes. As much as I think tornadoes are cool, I wouldn't have the balls to be that close to a tornado could possibly swallow me up and whip me around and throw me violently on the ground. Oh my god. I always think about the worst case scenario when it comes to stuff like this. Like, okay, for example, I have a fear of, and I've been having this fear ever since I was in high school. But I've always been afraid to go to the Grand Canyon because I'm afraid of heights, and I always feel like I'm just gonna, like, if I go there, I'm just gonna fall. But that's a whole different thing. Anyway, as far as this goes, like I said, it's very intimidating. Mother Nature kind of taking over. I feel so bad for people that get stuck in places that have tornadoes like that. I don't even know. I really don't know what to say. Really interesting to see, but just to see it on video is one thing, but to actually be there is just like a whole different ball game. So, kudos to the people who catch the tornadoes and other, well, I don't want to say kudos because it's a natural disaster. So, yeah, but it's just, more power to you, to the people who actually captured this stuff on video, because you wouldn't catch me dead doing that. Like, I'd be caught, or how'd that saying go? I'd be caught dead if I did that, or whatever. Anyway, I'll leave, if you want to see the whole video, I'm gonna leave a, link in the description, so I'm gonna wrap up this video with this reaction. In conclusion, I think that, that was a terrifying video, but it was fascinating at the same time. F5s you don't want to F with. Like, you don't want to F with an F5. Yeah. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. I will leave a link to my Facebook down below, and like I said, I will leave a link to the tornado video that you guys just watched with me, and you can see it all in its glory, its whole 6-minute glory. 6 minutes and 43 seconds of glory. I gotta stop saying glory. I'm gonna go drink some more apple juice, and yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have a good night, and I will see you in my next video. So, take care, guys. Bye-bye.